Did you know there's a way you can buy PLS, PulseChain, using Cash App? So if you already have Cash App on your phone, a lot of people have that app. It's very common. You can buy Bitcoin on Cash App and use it to buy PLS on this website right here. I'm talking about PulseLN.com. That's PulseLN.com. Hop over to this website and you'll see how easy it is to convert Bitcoin to PLS very, very quickly using Cash App, which is an app that everyone's got on their phone. Look, you're going to come to the homepage, all right, and you're just going to go ahead and launch the app. You can read about all the website and everything here. You can read about the token if you want to. They have their own PLN token that gets a segment of the fees, but let's just launch the app and get right into it. All right, now you can trade a lot of different coins, right? You can actually trade BNB, Optimism, Ethereum, Hedron. You can trade a lot of other things, DAI stablecoin, but we're going to go with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the most popular. I'm sure a lot of people have heard of Bitcoin. And if you have Cash App, you can get Bitcoin immediately today within your Cash App, okay? Even the Lightning Network too. So this actually works with Lightning Network. And Lightning Network is just a Bitcoin payment system that's instantaneous. So really quickly, I know Bitcoin's like a household name. A lot of people have heard of Bitcoin. So if you want to swap some of that Bitcoin for PLS, you've got a $5 minimum and a $1,000 maximum. So you can buy up to $1,000 worth of PLS at one time. Now keep in mind, when I'm entering Bitcoin here, this value is in Satoshis. So look, I'm not buying 1 million Bitcoin, okay? I'm buying 1 million Satoshis worth of PLS. So I want to be very clear. Obviously, this is not 1 million Bitcoin. Look at the dollar value here. It's $275 worth of Bitcoin, and I want to convert that into PLS. So today, it looks like 1 million Satoshis will get me 60 million PLS. And guys, a lot of people know that when bull markets come around, altcoins do tend to outperform Bitcoin. PulseChain is a thriving community, so a lot of people are bullish on it. So a lot of people are just wondering how to buy PLS. There's a lot of different methods. You can check my previous videos, but this is a new method that can help a lot of people that already have Cash App and, that are familiar with Bitcoin. So you just type the address you want it to be sent to down here in this bar right here. How do you do that? Well, you need a MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to assume you've downloaded a MetaMask already. Any other Ethereum-based wallet will do. You just need an Ethereum-based wallet. MetaMask is probably the most reliable at this point in time, but there might be better options in the future. Once you've got your MetaMask set up, you copy your address, right? You paste it down here and you click confirm. Now you could do this whole process within, a minute or two. So now look, it comes up with a QR code. Then you need to send your Bitcoin from Cash App to this QR code. Or, you could copy and paste your Bitcoin address right here by clicking copy if you wanted to do it from the web. But a lot of people, you've got your Cash App on your phone. You buy 1 million Satoshis on your phone. That's $275. And once you buy that Bitcoin on your phone, you just withdraw it out of your Cash App and you send it to this QR code here. And your swap is completed within, a couple of minutes. Now, on their tutorial over here, okay, they want you to use the Lightning Network. And so for people that don't know what Bitcoin Lightning Network is, it's basically just a payment network that makes Bitcoin a lot faster. And they do recommend that in here. But in order to do that, you need a secondary app called Wallet of Satoshi. And you basically need to withdraw your Bitcoin from Cash App to the Wallet of Satoshi. And then you'll be able to send to this PulseLN.com QR code instantaneously. So they want you to go, from Cash App over here to this is your Wallet of Satoshi wallet, which you'd have to also download on your phone. It's like a new app. And then you'd have to send that to the QR code. So, this would add another step into the process, but it would be a little bit faster. Okay. Now you could just go straight from Cash App and you could just go straight and send it to that QR code or to this address over here. Okay, you could withdraw the Bitcoin directly here, but the only warning that they tell you about that is that if you do it the Lightning Network way with the extra step, you have enhanced privacy and you have a more straightforward resolution just in case there's a pending Cash App withdrawal. So sometimes, Cash App might hold your Bitcoin for a little bit, and also there's not as much privacy. That's the benefit that you get with Wallet of Satoshi. More privacy and faster withdrawals, long story short. So let's hop over back here, and that's all you would do, guys. You get your Cash App, you buy some Bitcoin on the Cash App, and you send it to the QR code. And again, if you want more privacy and you want it to go faster, you need to get one more app here, and that's called Wallet of Satoshi. Look, this is Wallet of Satoshi. You can download it on the App Store or the iOS Store, and it's just a Lightning Bitcoin wallet. It's basically a wallet that lets you send Bitcoin super fast, because normally Bitcoin is super slow. Now here's the coolest thing. I'm going to prove to you that you're getting a way better deal on PulseLN.com than you are on ChangeNOW.io. You can buy Pulse using Bitcoin on ChangeNOW. First of all, their maximum limit is 0.0046 Bitcoin. Okay, so they let you buy 0.0046 Bitcoin. Today that's going to get you 2,800,000 Pulse. Okay, so you can do it this way with Bitcoin to PLS over on ChangeNOW, but let's try to put in this same Bitcoin number over on PulseLN and see if we're getting a better deal over here. So we want the number to be 8 digits. We take out the decimal point because we're dealing with Satoshis now. So if I'm buying $127 Bitcoin of PLS over here, I'm getting 2,823,000 PLS. So 2,823,000 PLS is more than 2,801,000. So you're clearly getting a better deal and more bang for your buck over here on PulseLN.com. And also, PulseLN.com, it looks like currently they're accepting higher limits than ChangeNOW as well. I mean, the maximum amount of Bitcoin is only $127 worth of Bitcoin over on ChangeNOW. On PulseLN.com, you can do up to $1,000 at a time. So higher limits currently than ChangeNOW, better deal, and you can buy PLS with Bitcoin. That's how you do it. So just wanted to make sure you guys know all the options available to you. PulseLN, definitely something to keep in mind if you want to buy PLS with Bitcoin and get into the PulseChain ecosystem where all the action is happening. If you found this valuable, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with a friend. Everything you do helps PulseChain go viral. Everything you do helps boost the algorithm. So thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.